Andy.
Hi.
What's wrong, buddy?
Someone at work ate my sandwich.
Well, what did the police say?
My Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. I can't believe someone just ate it.
Ross, it's just a sandwich.
Just a sandwich? I am 30 years old, okay? I'm gonna be divorced twice and I just got evicted. That sandwich was the only good thing going on in my life. Someone ate the only good thing going on in my life.
Nice sweater, man.
Hey, look, I have enough stuff for one more sandwich. I mean, I was gonna eat it myself, but...
Oh, that would be incredible. Thank you so much. I still can't believe someone ate it. I mean, look, I left a note and everything.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Ross Geller's lunch. Ross Geller's lunch? Who? Ross Geller's lunch? Please don't take me, okay?
Your note? Amazing. Not only did no one touch my sandwich, but people at work are actually afraid of me. Yeah, a guy called me Mental. Mental Geller. Yeah. I've always wanted a cool nickname like that.
You know, the best you got in high school was a wet pants Geller.
So what's the water fountain, okay? Anyway, people are writing reports for me, pushing back deadlines to fit my schedule. I'm telling you, you get tough with people and you can get anything you want. Hey, Tribbiani, give me that coffee now.